FoxAlien CNC Router Machine Masuter Pro. Structure Upgrade. Masuter Pro is an all-aluminum CNC router, which makes the machine sturdier than the last version. The Z-axis uses linear rails instead of the optical axis. This greatly improves the stability and accuracy. Upgraded controller box. The control board is upgraded to a compact controller box. The emergency stop button and home button are more easily and more convenient to access. The control box is also dust-proof for easy maintenance. Compatibility Upgrade. Masuter Pro includes two spindle clamps, 52mm and 65mm. The 52mm clamp can accommodate the 60W spindle, 300W spindle, and the FoxAlien laser modules. The 65mm clamp is for customized upgrade, such as 65mm Makita router, 1.5kW spindle, etc. Masuter Pro also supports the 69mm spindle clamp. Please buy separately. Assembly Upgrade. Main parts are pre-assembled and the part of the wires are pre-installed to the controller box. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes to fully assemble. Additional working light. A small working light is added to the Z-axis. It helps you to monitor the carving details and process more clearly. Each stepper motor has a knob for easy adjusting by hand.